Hi, I'm Lexis Hall, Assistant Service Manager with the Casey Auto Group. I am here today to demonstrate the complimentary multi-point inspection that we perform on every vehicle that comes into our facility. Items we will be checking: operation of the lights. We will get into looking at the tire tread, if the tires need rotating, alignment, or if they need replacement. We will also be setting the tire pressures. The condition of the windshield will be looked at. If you have any visible cracks or chips, we will let you know. Also be looking at the wiper blades if they are torn and if they need replacement. We will pull your filters out, look at the filters, see if they are dirty and need to be replaced. Test the battery based on the cranking amps required for the battery and look and see if it needs to be replaced or recharged. Brake fluid, coolant, transmission fluid, power steering, and your oil. All fluids will be checked on the vehicle. Condition of belts, hoses, and all other components. Ensure there are no oil leaks on the vehicle. Most importantly, we will be checking the inboard and outboard brake pad measurements on the vehicle. If pads are to a point where they need to be replaced, we will advise our customer. This is a complimentary service that will be performed on every vehicle that comes into our facility, and we will gladly do this at no charge for you, and every client will get that experience that comes into Casey Auto Group.